This little guy is called the XBOOM Grab, the latest portable speaker made by LG in collaboration with the man himself, will.i.am. But is it actually better than any other speaker under 150 bucks? I think yes, because it has some unique features that I've never seen in any other speaker before. Firstly, it has this rugged design where the sides of the speaker are rubberized, so if you accidentally drop it, it won't break into pieces. Also, it has those bands attached to the speaker. Makes it really easy to strap it to something, like your backpack or a bicycle. If you live somewhere near an ocean or spend a lot of time outdoors, maybe at the pool or something, this thing is actually IP67 water and dustproof. So if you accidentally drop it in water or spill something on it, it will most likely be fine. What seems weird is this USB-C port that doesn't have any rubberized gaskets. So if you plan to use it outdoors, eventually sand, debris, and other stuff will get there and it might require to be cleaned. So it's not exactly a foolproof design, but that's something I saw on other speakers as well. For its size, the speaker is surprisingly loud, but let's hear how it sounds. As a party speaker, it serves its purpose perfectly. There is some distortion at max volume, but it's something you would expect from a portable speaker at that price point since, you can't define physics. I'd give it 8.5 out of 10 for sound quality and loudness. I also tried using it on my PC instead of my headphones and as a replacement for built-in speakers on my LG TV, which works surprisingly seamlessly. The speaker can be controlled via the LG ThinQ app on the phone. You can set different lighting modes, change the sound modes and stuff, but honestly, I kind of like the standard mode because it's the most balanced. If you ever get multiple XBOOM speakers, you can connect them together. And it could be any speaker from XBOOM lineup. The battery life is advertised as up to 20 hours on 50% volume. I honestly don't know who would use it for that long, but at least you know that the battery won't die if you accidentally didn't charge it. So overall, the XBOOM Grab is a good speaker. It's not trying to compete with super high-end audio gear, but it gives you a lot of flexibility. Maybe the sound isn't quite as clean as something like the JBL Flip 7. From what I heard, it's maybe 10% behind in overall clarity or punch. But it makes up for that with everything else it offers. You've got the lighting effects, the app controls, the fact that you can link it with other XBOOM speakers, mount it to a bike or a backpack, use it indoors or outside. It just fits into a lot of different situations. I got this speaker from LG for a reviewer campaign. However, I shared my honest thoughts about it. If you like this review, consider subscribing. You can always change your mind later.